Hello everyone, welcome to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords, and today we're diving into a topic that can significantly impact your daily efficiency: desk organization. In just a few minutes, I'll share practical tips to declutter your workspace and boost your productivity. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more organizational wisdom. Let's jump right in. 1. Clear the clutter. Start by clearing unnecessary items from your desk. Remove any papers, pens, or gadgets that don't serve an immediate purpose. A clean slate sets the stage for a focused and productive work environment. 2. Organize essential supplies. Identify the supplies you use regularly and designate specific spaces for them. Utilize organizers, trays, or containers to keep pens, notebooks, and other tools in order. This simple step can save you valuable time searching for what you need. 3. Create a priority zone. Designate a specific area on your desk as the priority zone. This is where you'll keep items that require immediate attention, such as pending documents, a to-do list, or a notebook for quick notes. Having a dedicated space for priorities keeps them top of mind. 4. Digital decluttering. Don't forget your digital space. Organize your computer desktop by creating folders for different projects or categories. Delete unnecessary files and shortcuts, and ensure your digital workspace reflects the same clarity as your physical one. 5. Personalize with purpose. Add a personal touch to your workspace with purpose. Whether it's a motivational quote, a plant, or a favorite family photo, choose items that inspire and uplift you. Be mindful not to overcrowd. A few well-chosen personal touches can make your workspace more enjoyable. 6. Cable management. Tame the cable chaos. Use cable organizers or clips to keep cords in check. This not only improves the aesthetic of your workspace, but also prevents distractions and potential accidents. A tidy desk includes tidy cables. 7. Daily end-of-day routine. Establish a quick end-of-day routine to maintain your organized desk. Take a few minutes before you finish work to clear your desk. Put away supplies and jot down any lingering thoughts or tasks for the next day. This ensures a fresh start each morning. There you have it, a rapid-fire guide to boost your productivity through desk organization. Small changes in your workspace can have a big impact on your focus and efficiency. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more productivity hacks. Share your desk organization tips in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to create optimal work environments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.